Hello everyone. Today we are to study the Mathematics and Statistics Paper 2 12 Science according to new syllabus. Myself Srimati Vajay SS from JMD Arts, BW Commerce and Science College, Sinnar. Now we have to study the chapter number 4, Definite Integration. In that chapter we have already studied the topics definite integral as limit of sum and fundamental theorem of integral calculus. We have also studied the 8 property depend on fundamental theorem of integral calculus. By using these properties, we have to solve the exercise 4.2. Here example number 1, evaluate integration of 1 to 9 x plus 1 divided by root x dx. This is equals to integration of 1 to 9 x upon root x plus 1 upon root x dx. Here root x is in the place denominator. We move it as numerator. We get integration of 1 to 9 x into x raised to minus 1 by 2 plus x raised to minus 1 by 2 dx. This is equals to integration of 1 to 9 x raised to 1 by 2 plus x raised to minus 1 by 2 dx. Here taking an integration we get 2 by 3 x raised to 3 by 2 plus 2 into x raised to 1 by 2 integration from 1 to 9. Here next step 2 by 3 into taking first upper limit and then lower limit. Here upper limit is 9 and lower limit is 1. Here 2 by 3 into 9 raised to 3 by 2 plus 2 into 9 raised to 1 by 2 minus 2 by 3 plus 2. We get 2 by 3 into 3 square raised to 3 by 2 plus 2 into 3 square raised to 1 by 2 minus 8 by 3. This is equals to 2 by 3 into 3 cube plus 2 into 3 minus 8 by 3. Here see this step, here 9, here 3 square. 9 can be written as 3 square. Here see. Next step is 2 by 3. 3 cube can be written as 3 into 3 into 3 times. We get 3 into 3 into 3 plus 6 minus 8 by 3. This is equals to 18 plus 6 minus 8 by 3. Here 18 plus 6 is equals to 24 minus 8 by 3. We calculating this, we get 64 by 3. Now second example. Here integration of 2 to 3 1 upon x square plus 5x plus 6 dx. This is equals to 2 to 3 1 upon x square plus 5x plus 25 by 4 minus 25 by 4 plus 6 dx. How to calculate this 25 by 4? Here comparing this equation x square plus 5 plus x square plus 5x plus 6 is comparing with x square plus bx plus 6. We get a is equals to 1, b is equals to 5, c is equals to 6. Here b divided by 2a, its square is equals to 5 by 2, its square is equals to 25 by 4. Adding and subtracting this term from this step. this is equals to 2 integration from 2 to 3 1 upon x plus 5 by 8 square minus 1 by 4 dx. This is equals to 2 to 3 1 upon x plus 5 by 2 its square minus, here 1 by 4 can be written as 1 by 2 bracket square dx. By using the formula integration of 1 upon x square minus a square dx, this is equals to 1 upon 2a log of x minus a divided by x plus a. We get 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 log of, here value of x is equals to x plus 5 by 2 and value of x is equals to x plus 5 by 2 and value of a is equals to 1 by 2. We get 1 divided by 2 into 1 by 2 log of x plus 5 by 2 minus 1 by 2 divided by x plus 5 by 2 plus 1 by 2 integration from 3 to 2. This is equals to log of x plus 2 divided by x plus 3 integration from 2 to 3. Here log of a upon b is equals to log a minus log b. Using this property we get log of 5 by 6 minus log of 4 by 5. This is equals to log of 5 by 6 into 5 by 4. We calculating this, we get the answer log of 25 divided by 24. Now example number 3, integration from 0 to pi by 4 cot square x dx. By using the formula relation between cosec and cot, we get 0 to pi by 4 integration from 0 to pi by 4 cosec square x minus 1 dx, separating, and we get 0 to pi by 4 cosec square x minus 1 dx. This is equals to minus cot x. Integration of cosec square is minus cot x and integration of 1 is x, and taking limit we get, first taking upper limit pi by 4 then taking lower limit 0, we get minus cot pi by 4 minus pi by 4 minus cot 0 minus 0. This is equals to minus 1 minus pi by 4. This is equals to minus 1. Taking common minus sign we get 1 plus pi by 4. Now example number 4. Integration of minus pi by 4 to pi by 4 1 upon 1 minus sin x dx is equals to minus pi by 4 to pi by 4 1 upon 1 minus sin x into 1 plus sin x divided by 1 plus sin x dx. Here see this step, divide and multiply the given equation by 1 plus sin x. We get the second step. Now third, integration of minus pi by 4 to pi by 4 1 plus sin x divided by 1 square minus sin square x dx. Now see the step number 4, minus pi by 4 to pi by 4 1 plus sin x divided by cos square x dx. Here separate this term, we get minus pi by 4 to pi by 4 1 divided by cos square x plus sin x divided by cos square x dx. By using the relation between cos and sec, it is reciprocal of each other, that is 1 divided by cos theta is equals to sec theta, and sin theta divided by cos theta is equals to tan theta. We get the step minus pi by 4 to pi by 4 sec square x plus sec x into tan x dx. This is equals to tan x plus sec x minus pi by 4 to plus pi by 4. This is equals to tan pi by 4 plus sec pi by 4 minus tan minus pi by 4 plus sec of minus pi by 4. Taking the value of tan pi by 4 is 1, value of sec pi by 4 is root 2, value of tan pi by 4 is equals to 1. Here taking minus sign common, and here sec pi by 4 is equals to root 2. Here this is equals to 1 plus root 2 minus of minus 1 plus root 2. Here 1 plus root 2 plus 1 minus 2. This is equals to 2. Now the example number 5th. Integration of 3 to 5 1 upon square root of 2x plus 3 minus square root of 2x minus 3 dx. This is equals to 3 to 5 1 upon square root of 2x plus 3 minus square root of 2x minus 3 into, see this term, divide and multiply by this term by square root of 2x plus 3 plus square root of 2x minus 3. We get integration of 3 to 5 square root of 2x plus 3 plus square root of 2x minus 3 divided by, here multiply these two terms, we get 2x plus 3 minus 2x plus 3 dx. Here integration of 3 to 5 in square root of 2x plus 3 plus square root of 2x minus 3 divided by 6 dx. This is equals to 1 by 6, 3 to 5, 2x plus 3 plus square root of 2x minus 3 dx. We get 1 by 6 integration of, yes, square root can be written as raised to power of 1 half. Here 2x plus 3 raised to 1 half plus 2x minus 3 raised to 1 half dx. Next step is 1 by 6. Here taking an integration 2x plus 3 raised to 3 by 2. Here 2 using the formula x plus b. Here divided by 2 and here power 3 by 2. Here also same, 2x plus 3 is to 3 by 2 divided by 2 into 3 by 2. Here 2 get cancelled. Here also 2 get cancelled. We get the step 1 by 6 into 1 by 3 in bracket 2x plus 3 raised to 3 by 2 plus 2x minus 3 raised to 3 by 2. Here multiply 6 and 3, we get 1 by 18. Here taking limit first 5 and then 3. Here put the value of x is 5, then value of x is 3. Here 13, 2 into 5 is 10 plus 3 is 13. X 13 raised to 3 by 2 plus 7 raised to 3 by 2 minus 9 raised to 3 by 2 plus 3 raised to 3 by 2. We get 1 by 18. 13 root 13 plus 7 root 7 minus 3 root 3 minus 27. We get the answer. Now example number 6. Here integration of 0 to 1 x square minus 2 divided by x square plus 1 dx. This is equals to 0 to 1. Here minus 2 can be written as plus 1 minus 3. Rearranging this, we get x square plus 1 minus 3 divided by x square plus 1 dx. This is equals to 0 to 1 x minus 3 divided by x square plus 1 dx. Taking an integration of 1 is x, integration of 1 by x square is 1 by x square plus 1 is tan inverse of x, and 3 is as it is. Integration from 0 to 1. Taking first upper limit is 1 and then lower limit 0. 1 minus 3 tan inverse of 1 minus 0 minus 3 tan inverse 0. 1 minus 3 pi by 4 minus 0. We get the answer 1 minus 3 pi by 4. Now example number 7. 0 to pi by 4 sin 4x minus sin 3x dx. This is equals to 1 by 2. 0 to pi by 4 2 sin 4x into sin 3x dx. This is equals to 1 by 2. 0 to pi by 4 cos, here see here using the in step second, here adjust 2, that is divide multiply by 2. Here see 2 sin A into sin B. Using this formula we get the step third, 1 by 2 0 to pi by 2 cos 4x minus cos 4x plus 3x dx. This is equals to 1 by 2 integration of 0 to pi by 4 cos x minus cos, here cos 4 minus 3 is cos x, cos 4x plus 3x is cos 7x dx. This is equals to 1 by 2 sin x minus sin 7 pi by 7x divided by 7 0 to pi by 4. First taking upper limit pi by 4, then lower limit 0. Here 1 by 2 value of x is first pi by 4 sin pi by 4 minus 1 by 7 sin 7 pi by 4 minus sin 0 minus 1 by 7 sin 0. This is equals to 1 by 2. Here arranging 7 we get divide and first divide multiply by 7 and arrange this step, we get the answer 7 by 7 into 1 by root 2 plus 7 1 by 7 into 1 by root 2 minus 0. Here 1 by 2 into 8 divided by 7 root 2, we get 2 into 8, sorry 2, 8 divided by 2 is equals to 4, that is 4 divided by 7 root 2 is the answer. Now see the example number 8. Here 0 to pi by 4 square root of 1 plus sin 2x dx. This is equals to 0 to pi by 4 sin square x plus cos square x plus 2 sin x cos x dx. This is equals to 0 to pi by 4. Here value of 1 is equals to sin square theta plus cos square theta, and value of sin 2 theta is equals to 2 sin theta into cos theta. By using this we get the step second. And now step third, 0 to pi by 4 sin square x plus 2 sin x into cos x plus cos square x dx. This is equals to integration from 0 to pi by 4 square root of sin x plus cos x its square dx. Here 0 to pi by 4, here see here some value its square under square root. Square root means any value raised to 1 by 2. Here 2 and 1 by 2 get cancelled, we get this step 0 to pi by 4 sin x plus cos x dx. This is equals to minus cos x plus sin x 0 to pi by 4. This first taking upper limit pi by 4, then the lower limit 0. We get minus cos pi by 4, here value of x replaced by pi by 4, sin pi by 4 minus of minus cos 0 plus sin 0. This is equals to minus 1 by root 2 plus 1 by root plus 1 upon root 2 plus 1 minus 0. Calculating this step we get a plus minus cancel, only remaining 1, that is answer is 1. Here now see the example number 11, 0 to 4 dx divided by square root of 4x minus x square. Here see the second step, 0 to 4 dx divided by square root of x square divided by 4 minus x square minus 4x plus 4 square divided by 4. For this example, using the formula integration of 0 to a dx divided by integrate under root ax minus x square. Here arranging this we get the step number 3, 0 to 4. Here 4 square is 16. 16 by 4. First 4 by 2 its square means 2 square, and x square as it is, 4x as it is. Here also 2 square. Here 0 to 4 dx divided by 4 by 2 its square. 4 square divided by 4 can be written as 4 by 2 its square minus x minus 4 by 2 its square. This is equals to 0 to 4 dx divided by square root of 2 square minus x minus 2 its square. Here making it as perfect square, we get the formula sin inverse of x upon a. Here value of x is x minus 2 and value of a is 2. Here now this is equals to sin inverse x minus 2 divided by 2 integration from 0 to 4. Here upper limit is 4 and lower limit is 0. Here taking the value of x is first 4, sin inverse of 4 minus 2 divided by 2. 4 minus 2 is 2. 2 by 2 is 1, means sin inverse 1, minus sin inverse of 0 minus 2 divided by 2. 0 minus 2 means minus 2. Divided by 2 is minus 1. This is equals to sin inverse of sin pi by 2 minus sin inverse of minus sin pi by 2. Here arranging this, here sin inverse of sin theta is only theta. Here value of theta is equals to pi by 2, that is answer is pi by 2. Here also sin inverse of minus sin theta is equals to sin inverse of sin minus theta. This is equals to sin minus sin inverse of sin of minus pi by 2. Minus minus we get plus. This is equals to pi by 2 plus pi by 2 is 2 pi by 2. Here 2 get cancelled, only remaining value is pi. Now see the next example. Here integration of 0 to 1 divided by square root of 3 plus 2x minus x square dx. This is equals to integration of 0 to 1. Here making an perfect square as a formula. Here adding and subtracting. Here 1, we get the step 0 to 1, 1 upon square root of 3 minus x square minus 2x plus 1 dx. Here this is equals to 0 to 1, 1 upon square root of 3 square minus x minus 2 its square. Here see this bracket, x square minus 2x plus 1 is the perfect square of x minus 1 its square. Here plus 3 plus 1 is plus 4, that is 2 square, means 0 to 1, 1 upon square root of 2 square minus x minus 1 its square dx. This is equals to sin inverse of x minus 1 divided by 2 from 0 to 1. This is equals to sin inverse of 0 minus sin inverse of 1 by 2. Here first taking value of x is 1, that is upper limit. Then taking value of x is 0, that is sin inverse of 0 minus sin inverse of minus 1 by 2. Here sin inverse of 0 is 0. Here adjust the step, sin inverse of minus sin pi by 6, because sin pi by 6 is equals to 1 by 2. Here 1 by 2 replaced by sin pi by 6, we get this step. 0 minus sin inverse of minus sin pi by 6. This is equals to minus sin inverse of sin of minus pi by 6. Here sin inverse of sin minus theta is equals to minus theta. In that step already minus sign is common. We get minus of minus pi by 6 is equals to plus pi by 6. Here now see the example number 13. 0 to pi by 2 x into sin x dx. In that example, value of u is equals to x, value of v is equals to sin x. That is using the rule of integration u into v. By using this rule, we get x into integration of sin x dx, integration from 0 to pi by 2 minus integration from 0 to pi by 2 d upon dx of x into integration of sin x dx. Here next step, x as it is, integration of sin is minus cos x, integration limit from 0 to pi by 2 minus 0 to pi by 2 derivative of x is 1, integration of sin x minus cos x dx. Here x into minus cos x is minus x cos x from 0 to pi by 2 plus, here minus we get plus 0 to pi by 2 cos x. Here taking first upper limit pi by 2 and then lower limit 0. Here x replaced by first pi by 2 minus pi by 2 into cos pi by 2 plus 0 plus integration of cos sin x from 0 to pi by 2. This is equals to 0 plus sin pi by 2. Here x replaced by pi by 2, we get sin pi by 2. Here value of sin pi by 2 is equals to 1. We get the answer. Now example number 14, integration of, here example number 14, integration of 0 to 1 x into tan inverse x dx. Here also using u into v rule, we get value of u is equals to tan inverse x, value of v is equals to x by using light rule. This is equals to 0 to 1 tan inverse of x into x dx. This is equals to, here u means tan inverse as it is, integration of x dx from 0 to 1 minus integration from 0 to 1 dx tan inverse x dx into dx. This is equals to, here tan inverse x as it is, integration of x square by 2 minus 0 to 1 1 by, here derivative of tan inverse x is 1 divided by 1 plus x square into integration of x is equals to x square by 2 dx. This is equals to 1 square into tan, here taking limit, first upper limit is 1 and then lower limit is 0. Here first taking x replaced by 1 square into tan square 1 divided by 2 minus 0 minus 1 by 2 integration from 0 to 1 1 plus here address this step we get add and subtract 1 we get 1 plus x square same as denominator here 1 plus x square minus x divided by 1 plus x square dx we get the step here value of tan inverse 1 is equals to pi by 4 divided by 2 minus 0 to 1 1 minus 1 divided by 1 plus x square dx here this is equals to pi by 8 minus 1 by 2 x minus tan inverse of x from 0 to 1 this is equals to pi by 8 minus 1 by 2 minus 1 minus tan inverse of 1 minus 0 here value of tan inverse is pi by 4 this is equals to pi by 8 minus 1 by 2 here 1 as it is minus tan inverse of value of tan inverse of 1 is pi by 4 we get pi by 8 minus 1 by 2 plus pi by 8 pi by 8 plus pi by 8 is 2 pi by 8 that is pi by 4 and this minus 1 by 2 as it is we get the answer pi by 4 minus 1 by 2 here example 11 is already solved only example number 9 is 0 to pi by 4 7 raised to 4 dx answer is already given 3 pi by 16 as a homework and example number 15 integration from 0 to infinity x into e raised to minus x dx answer is given 1 here example number 9 and example number 15 is as homework example number 11 already solved thank you